is big business and your business is our business. Follow them on twitter.com/experiencepros. Now, back to Angel and Eric, the Experience Pros.
I'm sailing away.
That sounds so good, doesn't it?
Set it open.
Yeah, it does. I keep seeing all these. Everybody's posting pictures of beaches and sand and sun. And of course, you know, there was a meme that came across, Dear Winter, I'm breaking up with you. I think it's time we start seeing other seasons. Summer is hotter than you are. Well, talk about if you just kind of need a little motivation, a little inspiration. You're kind of getting into those winter blahs. Imagine spending 7 days with a small group, an intimate group of brilliant entrepreneurs that poolside in a relaxed setting. You're not sitting in a classroom. You're not, inside in a windowless room,
right?
With a notebook in front of you, though there's value sometimes in doing that. But the carefree, the intimacy and the casualness that comes from breaking bread. Of course, we're going to an all-inclusive resort, so you can break all the bread you want.
So you're talking about this trip to Cancun that we're going on.
I am. Could you tell?
Well,
did you get there already?
I kind of did, and I think that the way you just described it is a new way for maybe our listening audience to hear it, because you're actually going on a vacation, but it's more than a vacation. It's with the specific purpose to build your business and an intimate opportunity for 7 nights, 8 days to learn.
To learn at the feet
experts,
of the masters,
right.
Really. And it's not textbooks theory of, where we're sitting around kind of talking about our dreams and our vision for our businesses. And these are the challenges. And rather than say, well, this is what we think you should do, this is what I did. This is how I did it. And this is how I'm doing it. And, a couple of the folks that are going, when you look at the business growth that they've had, and you get to spend a full week with them. You think about going to a mastermind workshop, a business training, a retreat, a mastermind retreat, so to speak, and you're going to spend 7 days. You're going to spend probably $7,000 to $10,000 to attend that retreat, and that does not include your hotel, does not include your food.
No, that's just for the training.
It's just the training.
Yeah.
You're going to spend 7 days with a group of entrepreneurs, and the only thing you have to pay for is the trip, and the trip is all inclusive. Airfare is included, your hotel is included, your food is included, your beverages are included, and the training is included.
And what if you could get all of that for far less than $2,000?
Less than $2,000. When we would teach Experience Pros University, the course itself is $2,400. Now, of course, you're not getting it in a classroom style setting, and you're not going to break it out over the course of a year. You're going to get it all in during 1 week, sitting by the pool, sharing life, sharing business, being inspired. Think about the connections, how the people that will get to know you, when you want to be top of mind, when you want to associate, you want to associate with inspired people, like-minded people,
right?
People that are moving and shaking, that are going places. We're not settling for the status quo. We're not going to sit around and complain and, oh, woe is me. And it's also not the kind of trip that you're going to need a vacation from when you come back. You're going to come back ready to go, fired up. Business is booming. You're going to hit the ground running. We are doing some pre-training of making sure that all of our calendars are full for the week we come back, because we're going to want to be in front of some people.
You bet.
We're going to want to meet and greet and talk, and we're going to be ready to roll. We'll also have free Wi-Fi on site at the hotel if you do need to check in and keep tabs on your business. It is incredible marketing for your business. Those pictures that come from the trip are shared all year long. Your brand, where you go, your brand follows. And we have been, promoting it as a fun week vacation, but it really is. It is brilliant minds coming together and pouring life into each other and inspiration into each other.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
You put out a list of all the different topics that we cover. See if you can find that. As I remind you, of the people that are going. You got Carrie Conley, Infinite Nation, right?
Right. Top 6 mastermind groups helping businesses reach 6 figures in their first year. You're already there, helping others in your team reach 6 figures. How's that for motivation?
You got Dennis Giroux, an entrepreneur extraordinaire. With
For me,
Done Quickly.
That's sitting at the feet of the master for a week.
Absolutely.
Right?
Here's a guy who started his business, and one year later, he's built out or rebuilt his structure to handle more business 4 times, and within the second year, expanded to another location to handle it. Took on all of a major county's printing. I mean, it's just amazing.
Penny Brendan with the Connecting Experts. That woman knows everybody. You need references. You need referrals. Who do you think she's going to be talking about all year long after spending a week with you? You want to know anybody? You just need to know Penny. She's your gateway to everybody. The EPU topics that are covered in Experience Pros University are making sure you've got your ideal client, developing your personal brand, networking. We talked about networking and not what's not working.
Hold for just a second. You talked about finding your ideal client. That's one of the most complicated processes ever in small business, because when you start a small business, you're hungry for everybody. Anybody who can fog a mirror, that's my potential perfect client. And it's not. It's
But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to niche, ideal. Target audience. And it tells you exactly how to put together your website, how to put together your marketing materials, even on your business card, all your communication, when you're talking to your ideal client, you pass that telephone game of getting people to refer you. Differentiating yourself from the competition. You're not better than, you're different from, and your customers need to know why. Bringing more customers into your sales process. Hello, revenue.
Right.
Increasing your closing rate, leveraging your marketing, offering extreme customer service, a customer retention plan, referral-based marketing, creating systems that duplicate your process so you can go on vacation, and then, of course, time management. There will be definite vision building built in because Carrie's going to be there.
Hello. Practical experience.
Practical experiences, expanding, hiring, employees, like all of it, all in one umbrella drink.
In one umbrella drink. And so we invite you, if you are at all intrigued by this conversation, by taking your business not just to the next level, but building the infrastructure for multiple levels ahead. Like I said, I had a conversation with somebody yesterday, and she says, I just can't wait for a year from now when I cross this bridge. And the fact of the matter is, we've seen it time and time again. It doesn't take a year.
It doesn't.
In fact, we can chart it down to between month 6 and month 7. You will start to see a major shift in how your business is developing.
If you're thinking about it and you're thinking, I'm going to wait until next year, don't put off until next year. Let's get her done today.
Right.
The price that you will invest in this 1 week for developing your business, you will see back immediately. Immediately. It won't be an investment, or it won't be a loss. It is key to developing your business. And you want to be serious about it? We want to help you. That's what we built it all in. We want to lock arms with you and help you grow your business this year.
Absolutely.
This year. Don't wait and say, well, when it all comes together, because it doesn't ever all come together. You got to make it happen. And you can make it happen by calling Highlands Ranch Travel 303-791-2311 and make your reservation today.
What's that number?
303-791-2311. Somebody said they didn't have enough time to get their passport. You've got 8 weeks.
Oh, gosh. I got my passport in 4 days.
Yeah.
Last year.
Marcy
4 days.
from Highlands Ranch Travel, you need a passport? She's amazing.
Done.
Amazing for helping you get your passport. Yeah. She's got people. We got people. Yeah. What do you need?
That's the thing. Stop making excuses. Stop making excuses. I mean, that's pretty much a full sentence in its own. Do something for your business. Do something for yourself. Why not do them both at the same time? Rejuvenate and rebuild and structure your business for success. The number one more time, please, to Highlands Ranch Travel.
303-791-2311. Here's the thing. you're going to regret it. You're thinking about it. And when we come back, you're going to say, darn it, I really wish I would have.
There is somebody listening right now, I know this for a fact, who sat there and said, I really want to go, but I'm doing something the following week.
Okay,
really?
The following week.
Really? Stop making excuses. The number one more time.
303-791-2311.
We'll be back after these messages. You are listening to Angel and Eric on the Experience Pros Radio Show. We have a whole nother hour of positive business talk coming up right after this station ID.
This has been the Experience Pros Radio Show with business revolutionaries Angel Tussey and Eric Raymer. For more information, you can contact Experience Pros by calling 720-344-2446 or visit them on the web at experiencepros.com, facebook.com/experiencepros, and twitter.com/experiencepros. What are you waiting for? Join the revolution.
Haystack Help Radio can now be heard at noon weekdays on KLZ 560.
DVDs for Vets is asking listeners to donate new or used DVDs.